Hello, wonderful viewers. Food alone cannot drastically increase testosterone levels. There are several foods that contain nutrients and compounds known to support healthy testosterone production. Including these foods in your diet as part of a balanced and nutritious eating plan can help maintain optimal hormonal balance. Here are some testosterone-producing foods. Number 1. Lean protein. Protein is essential for the production of hormones, including testosterone. Opt for lean sources of protein like chicken, turkey, fish, lean beef, and tofu. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats support overall hormonal health, including testosterone production. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and contain essential nutrients like vitamin D, which is associated with healthy testosterone levels. Number 4. Nuts. Nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts, provide healthy fats and zinc, both of which are important for testosterone production. Number 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach and kale contain magnesium, which can help boost testosterone levels. They also provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that support overall health. Number 6. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain indole-3-carbinol, a compound that may help balance estrogen levels in the body, indirectly supporting testosterone. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that may stimulate the production of luteinizing hormone, which signals the testes to produce testosterone. Number 8. Onions. Onions contain a compound called quercetin, which may help boost testosterone levels by reducing the conversion of testosterone to estrogen. Number 9. Ginger. Ginger has been shown in some studies to have a positive impact on testosterone levels and sexual function. Number 10. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress and support overall health, potentially benefiting testosterone production. Number 11. Avocado. Avocado is a source of healthy fats and vitamin K, which may support hormonal balance. Number 12. Oysters. Oysters are exceptionally high in zinc, a mineral essential for testosterone production. Other shellfish like crab and mussels are also good sources of zinc. Number 13. Bananas. Bananas contain an enzyme called bromelain, which is thought to help increase testosterone levels. Number 14. Brazil nuts. These nuts are exceptionally rich in selenium, a mineral that plays a role in testosterone production. Number 15. Grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol, a compound that may have positive effects on testosterone levels. Conclusion: remember that a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods is key to supporting hormonal health. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management is essential for overall well-being and hormonal balance. If you have concerns about your testosterone levels, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance and evaluation. Thank you for being with us till the end of this video. If you like the video, hit subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon so that upcoming video could reach you well in time. Have a good day ahead.